Mm. You're gonna hear me.
So Chuchu, Chuchu, tic-tac-toe. Come. I am beating you this today.
No, you're not. Get it? You think I'm going that way? Let's go. I'm going diagonal, and I'm gonna go like that.
3.
3.
You like this game?
Yep.
Should I code another one?
Roblox.
Roadblock. Okay.
Can I come to mine? I see where you're going. 6. You're so close. 4.
Just like that. Sure.
I'm gonna get you here. 7.
Just think about
Roll.
it. Sorry.
Thank you. Now it's
Sit high.
time.
Okay.
Start the game. 1, 3. I'm forgetting what to do. 9. Yeah, I see where you're going. You got a reaching, dude. Now, where are we going? Just get that to go. But one more to do hours. I already did 3. 5.
9. No way.
Yes!
Hey, you won?
You went instantly. You're supposed to go here and block me.
You had to. Oh no, you had blocked twice. Wow. Okay, good.
I got you. You.
Okay.
Oh, you thought right here. I was going to go right here.
Okay. That was smart. That's very
I'm gonna
smart.
do it again to you. 1.
2.
3. You can't go off to cheat. 5.
I can't believe I've made the same mistake.
I made you fall right into my trail. You guy.
You see, you didn't see it, so I'll block you. 9. See?
No.
I'm going to 9, you see? Yeah, that's what I have to play. See? Hey, it's a tie. It's a tie now.
Dang it, it's 8.
Good, got it. That's enough. Now let me go.
One last one.
Hmm?
One last last one. Please, please. What want me to me? You're tonight. We're gonna have a scene, right? Being anyone you know up to me because it's true. And for the lives dreaming, like to do it alone.
Five.
No, I wanted to do go for it. 2.
It's 9.
Thank you. Thank you. 0, 1, 0 points. Oh.